Okay, see. Sum number 22, prepare income statement. Again, he is asking you to make an income statement of 3 companies. So first is PV ratio given. What is PV ratio? Profit volume ratio. You have done PV ratio somewhere?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In
Let me
cost
see.
accounting.
Yes, cost accounting. You have done PV ratio, no? PV ratio is equals to contribution upon, come on, tell me,
Sales,
contribution upon
sales
sales.
into 100.
Very good. Contribution upon sales into 100. You will be able to find out either of the things which is not available. PV ratio is already given 25% for Angad Limited, for Ganesh 35 percentage, and for Lakshmi Limited 30 percentage. Interest also given, degree of operating leverage, degree of financial leverage, income tax rate is also given. So I think we can start with degree of financial leverage very easily. First of all, this income statement has to be made. So I will just copy down this income statement for our new sum. Okay, and this sum is sum number 22. Okay, 3 companies are there, so we need to add one more column. Okay, so here we will write Angad Limited. Okay, this is Ganesh. I think yes, Ganesh, no? Yes, Ganesh and Lakshmi. So this will be Lakshmi Limited. 3 companies are there. Yes. Now, let us start with DFL is equals to, what is the formula of DFL? Yes, what is the formula of DFL?
EBIT divided by EBT.
Yes, but I think we can split EBT into 2 parts, EBIT minus interest, because interest is given. Same that way, first question we have solved, no, this type of question where interest was given. You remember? So we will write here DFL is equals to EBIT divided by, instead of writing EBT, we can we write EBIT minus interest? Can we
Yes,
write
ma'am.
that way? Because how do we find EBT? How EBT is found out? With the help of EBIT minus interest. So we have just splitted EBT into 2 parts, EBIT minus interest. Okay, and we have done this type of sum where interest was given. So where interest is given, you can easily find out DFL first step. Okay, Angad Limited. Sorry, it is Angad Limited. Now, what is DFL in case of Angad Limited? Can you tell me? DFL in case of Angad Limited. DFL in case of Angad Limited.
4:1.
That 4 means 4. So DFL is 4 is equals to, what is EBIT? Not given. So let it be X. You can write a common statement here. Let the EBIT be X. So 4 is equals to, EBIT means X divided by X, again because EBIT minus interest. So X minus, what is interest in case of Angad Limited? What is interest in case of Angad Limited?
50,000.
Yes, you need to
50,000.
quickly. Okay. Now, see. Now, Now this divide by, see, this is divide by x minus 50,000 will come to the opposite side of equals to sign, be converted into multiplication sign. So here you will write 4 multiplied with bracket, because two items are there, no, x and minus 50,000. So there are two things, you need to put them into bracket. So x minus 50,000 bracket close is equals to, this x will be same, this x will be same, which is given after equals to. Okay, now let us quickly solve this equation. Tell me, 4 into x is how much?
4x.
4x. Minus sign same, because it is minus ka sign, no, here before 50,000. So now tell me, 4 into 50,000 is how much? 4 into 50,000 is how much?
2 lakhs.
2 lakhs. Very good. Because this is bracket, no? So 4 into x and 4 into 50,000. 4 is for both of them. And open the bracket. After multiplication, we need to open the bracket. So 4x minus 2 lakhs is equals to x. Now this equals to x will go to the opposite side. Will become minus. This is plus x, no? Plus 1x. Will go to the opposite side of equals to will become minus 1x. So what you will do, x together. All the items of x together. So 4x minus 1x is equals to 2 lakhs will be, see, this is minus 2 lakhs. Minus 2 lakhs will go to the opposite side, will be converted into
Plus
plus 2 lakhs. Very good. Now tell me, 4x minus 1x is how much?
3x.
3x is equals to 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs will be same. Now, numbers has to be taken at one side, and x will be, this is 3 into x. No, 3x means 3 into x. No. Now this into 3 will go to the opposite side, will be converted into divide by 3. So naturally we will write here 2 lakhs divide by 3. So x is equals to how much? X is equals to how much?
66,660.66.
Means 66,667 if we ignore the point. If we ignore that the figures which are given after fraction, I mean decimal,
Yes, ma'am.
that we need to round off the figure. Okay, so rupees 66,667. But what was x here? X was considered as EBIT. So we have found out EBIT 66,667 rupees in case of Angad Limited. So here we can write down 66,000. EBIT is 66,667. Are you sure it is 66,000? It is not 6 lakhs, no? 6 lakh 66,000. ऐसा तो नहीं है ना? Yes, come on, tell
No,
me.
ma'am.
Okay. Same way you have to solve it for Ganesh Limited. But you are going to leave lines now. Leave a few lines. You are going to solve it uh, by yourself. Ganesh Limited, you are going to do it for yourself. So I'm going to leave this for you. You are going to do it yourself. I'm just going to ask you answers, but later on. Now again, leave a few lines. You need to solve it for Lakshmi Limited. For Lakshmi Limited. And leave a line. Leave a few lines. Here I'm putting question mark because I want you to do it yourself. Okay, but later on, right now, let us complete with Angad Limited first. Leave a line, leave a few lines. See how many lines will be required. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can leave 8 lines, no? Leave 8 lines for Ganesh Limited, leave 8 lines for Lakshmi Limited. You are going to do it yourself. Okay. Now, EBIT is given now. Okay. EBIT is there with us. Now, second formula is DOL. What is the formula of DOL? Can somebody tell me?
Contribution divided by EBIT.
Very good. Now EBIT is there with us. Please remember. And DOL is also there with us. So let us start with Angad Limited and Ganesh and Lakshmi Limited. You can solve it later on. Contribution is not given, but DOL is given. So what is DOL in case of Angad Limited? DOL in case of Angad Limited?
5.
Very good. So here you will write 5 is equals to contribution is not given divided by, we have already found out EBIT. So what is EBIT? 66,667. Tell me, how will you solve it? Therefore, contribution is equals to, this divide by 66,667 will go here, will be converted into multiplication. So 5 into 66,667 is equals to contribution, same. Therefore, our contribution will be, yes, tell me,
3 lakh
66,667 into 5.
3,33,335.
335.
5. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay. So contribution is also now available with us. Let us just take it in the table. Contribution is 3,33,335. EBIT is already there with us. 66,667. Contribution is also now available. So what will be my fixed cost? So what will be my fixed cost? So 3,33,335 contribution minus EBIT 66,667. So you will be able to find out fixed cost. Do it in Calci. Come on, do it in Calci.
2,66,668.
2,68,668. Is it correct?
No, ma'am, 2,66,000.
Okay. Now is it correct?
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
if you want to check, you can check. See, 3,33,335 minus 2,66,668 should be 66,667. Is it there? You need to check out.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we are correct here. Okay. Now, interest is already given. What was interest in case of Angad Limited?
50,000.
Very good. So here you will put 50,000 in the bracket, which was already given. Now EBIT is 66,667 minus interest 50,000. So what will be your EBT? What will be your EBT?
16,667.
Is it correct? 16,667.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tax is, I think, already given. Tax rate is 30%. So here no need to find, no need to apply, let the EBIT be 100. So it is already, tax is 30%. So here we can write down 30%. And EAT can be found out easily. So 16,667 into 30%. So tax amount will be, yes, the amount of tax will be, Come on, do it quickly.
5,000.
5,000. So 16,667 minus 5,000. So EAT will be, no, it should be somewhere around. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 11,667.
11,667. Is it correct? Is it
Yes,
correct?
ma'am.
Okay. So now see, um, contribution found out, fixed cost done, EBIT we have already found out, interest was already given. With the help of EBIT minus interest, we have found out EBT. Tax rate is already given 30% and therefore EAT is already with us. Now what about this sales and variable cost? What to do with this sales and variable cost? It is very simple. PV ratio is given in this question. In this question, PV ratio is given. So now you need to leave few lines for Ganesh Limited here to find out contribution. So you will require 4 lines for Ganesh Limited and 4 lines for Lakshmi Limited. Okay. Now come to the next formula, which is PV ratio. PV ratio is equals to contribution upon sales into 100. Okay, this is the formula. Now for Angad Limited we will do, and you will solve it for Ganesh and Lakshmi Limited. What is PV ratio for Angad Limited? How much is PV ratio for Angad?
25.
So you will write here 25% is equals to, contribution is already with us. Remember please, contribution is already with us. We have found out 3,33,335. So this will be used in the formula of PV ratio, because there the formula is contribution upon sales into 100. So contribution is available with us divided by sales. Now remember, we have already used percentage ka sign here. So into 100 will be ignored. Why we do into 100? Why we do into 100 in the formula? To get the percentage. Now percentage is available with us, 25%. Now what you need to do? Ignore 100. Therefore, 25% is equals to 3,33,335 divided by sales. So how will you do? Sales is equals to 3,33,335 into 25%. No, sorry. Contribution is available. PV ratio will come down in the place of sales. So it will be divided by 25%. It's very simple. Contribution is in the numerator and sales is there in the denominator. So sales will go at the place of PV ratio and PV ratio will come down, cross multiply. So 3,33,335 divided by 25%. So what will be your sales? Can somebody tell me? Yes.
I'm 13,33,340.
13 lakhs 33,340. Is it correct? Yes, is it correct? Please confirm, is it
Yes,
correct?
ma'am.
Yeah. So 13 lakhs 33,340 will be taken in the table of income statement. So here sales will be this much. So how will you find out variable cost? Sales minus contribution. It will give you variable cost. Tell me what is variable cost. Sales is 13 lakhs 33,340. minus contribution is
Ma'am,
3
it is
lakh
not
33.
340. It is 333.
333. Okay, no problem. So 13 lakhs 33,333 minus contribution 3 lakh 33,335. So how much is your variable cost? Yes, come on, tell me quickly.
Ma'am, 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs. Okay. See, you can check in the solution part. Variable cost is 10 lakhs. Is it there? Is it there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So now, did you understand this much? Now I'm giving you 10 minutes to solve for Ganesh and Lakshmi Limited. We are done with Angad Limited income statement. This is income statement, huh? So you need to write here. This income statement. Do it for, I'm giving you time for Ganesh and Lakshmi Limited. Do it. First, you have to apply DFL formula. You have already left lines for that. You have enough lines for Ganesh and Lakshmi Limited. Do it together, Ganesh and then Lakshmi. And DOL, again Ganesh and Lakshmi. For PV ratio, again Ganesh and Lakshmi. Do it yourself and let me know the answers. Complete the income statement. I will ask you the answers. Which is your next lecture?
Law, ma'am.
So will it be there?
मैम ये जो है ना वेरिएबल कॉस्ट हम लोग को 9,99,98 ऐसा आ रहा है।
हाँ
10
मतलब 10
पूरा नहीं आ
लैक्स ही
रहा।
हुआ ना, मतलब
हाँ
1 रुपया ही
चलेगा ना।
कम पड़ रहा है ना। हाँ 1 रुपी कम
हाँ
पड़
ठीक।
रहा है ना आपका, तो 1 रुपी आप
यस
बढ़ा दो
मैम।
उसको। ठीक है, चलो सॉल्व इट। आप पहले मुझे बताओ, लॉ का लेक्चर होगा आज?
यस मैम, होगा।
ठीक है, एनीवेज आप होमवर्क में कर लेना। फिर गणेश एंड लक्ष्मी लिमिटेड आप होमवर्क में कर सकते हैं।
यस मैम।
यस मैम।
So do it in homework. Have you completed with Angad Limited? I mean, have you written the solution part?
यस मैम।
Okay. So can we wind up now? We are done with the chapter of leverages. Is there any doubt?
No ma'am, no doubt.
नो
Okay.
मैम,
So
नो
there
डाउट।
is a very small, there is one very small homework to complete this sum for Ganesh and Lakshmi Limited. So you cannot skip, huh? Do it. Okay.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So we shall wind up now.
Bye ma'am.
Yeah.
Bye,
We shall
ma'am.
wind up now, and from tomorrow you have internal exams. Okay. So all the best for your internal exams. Right after the internal
Thank you ma'am.
exams. Yeah. Right after the internal exams will be over, we will continue our regular lectures. Okay.
ओके मैम।
Yes
बाय
ma'am.
मैम।
Bye. Take care,
Bye ma'am.
everybody. Bye.